You don't have to do it like me. You can leave it alone. I think it looks so cute. But if just in case you want to dress it up like me, you can. That looks nice. There you go. That's all I need. And you can just place some beads on. Looks super cute. And how do you put all the beads, and when should you put all the beads? Just, you know, as long as you place them really close together, the tighter the closer it's gonna be better. There you go. I'm gonna clear these nails first, and then we're gonna do the 2 more nails from the other hands, and we'll be good to go. Okay, our beads is just trying to run off on me. Super cute. All right, here, get me the other hand. This one we are going to using a radiance cut for a neon. I'm gonna do 2 nails at the same time. Again, condensed glue gel. If you are just first time tuning into our live tutorial, welcome to our live tutorial brought to you by Glitz Accessories and such. Me and Mika was here with all of you. If you have questions, feel free to ask us with the techniques. Close make sure you close them. Do not let them open, because you're gonna really like accidentally clear your condensed glue gels.
And don't sit it next to your dryer.
Yep. Do not put the lids open with your dryer on the side. Okay, that's one done. And we're gonna do all precision glue together at the same time after we finish all crystal placement. And I'm gonna do a no wipe top coat on the top. Get me the different one. It's okay, right here. Floating on the top of the condensed glue gel. Alright, okay. Work this out. I'm going to close that. I'm going to change a little bit shape on this one. Let's see what it is. Do you want this one? What color do you want?
You can do orange.
Orange?
Have you did orange yet?
No orange yet. Move that a bit. There you go.
It's like tangerine. Okay, next one. What next on the index? Which one do you want? Do you want what color of the drop shape you want?
Do light yellow. Not yellow, like the light orange.
You already have orange. Did you?
You have the super bright one. You don't have like the lightly orange.
Maybe you don't want to be two of them at the same. You probably want a blue one.
Or maybe green.
Blue.
You have green on that one yet, have you? Where's Nancy? She asked for one and she do the other one.
Yeah, I always. At least I ask. You see, this not nice when you not ask, but it ask is one thing.
Move it over. There you go.
Right.
Miss Sonia said, when do you do the precision glue?
After I do cure this, and I'm gonna do a precision glue. Bear with me for a second. I'm gonna do all of them at the same time. That's how I do for clients. I am showing you exactly what I'm work with the clients. When I'm doing some of the popsicle, well, nailsicle, I do like right away, but this is like something that I would do it for the clients. I would do all of them, and then I will move, Mika move that one, the phone on that side, so easy for you to doing it because I'm
On
mid-side
the
here.
hand, I'm sorry.
There you go. Because you keep pulling on the other side. Thank you. You do precision glue the ends when you all adheres all this together. Oh, this is orange right there. There you go. I feel like a lot of yellow. I'm looking for some green right here. Just really fun today. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to find the green on my collection right here, everyone. She's hidden somewhere. Hold up. Where's the shake? I have so many in one tray, so sometimes it's hard for me to get. Right there. I think I got it. Thank you. I can't see it. Not good enough. I'm gonna put some beads in between crystals. Can you take them all out? And I need to what drop it at? The what color of drop? The Mika one?
The green.
Green?
Yeah. She have a big green piece yet.
Lavra said put some beads in between the neon yellow teardrop.
What neon? Yellow?
No, the middle finger. Actually, no. I think ring finger.
Oh, you want this one right here? I absolutely can do. Oh, here is something I'm so glad you mentioned. You know what, Life Russ? because we're definitely gonna using a precision glue and add some beads on it. Thank you, love. It's gonna be fun.
So you want to flash cue that or keep moving?
No, I'm gonna do all of this together right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put some in here. That's gonna be awesome. Oh, I like that. Beads come back. Green.
Make sure somebody can see you.
Instagram. Yeah. Facebook, okay. I'm having so much fun placing all the crystals.
Yay.
It's funny. All of a sudden, in a moment, I said, "Wait, is that Mika nails?" It take whole and tie the crystal tray, and I said, "Wait a minute, why mine is so less?" And I didn't realize that I pulled half of them. I said, "Look, Mika, your nails take a whole tray." No, don't freak her out. Like, say, "What? For real?" Just few pieces of that. So when you're doing is really beautiful crystal placement like this for the clients, at least each nails you're gonna upsell the service charge of at least $10, $15 to $20. It depends on how fancy the clients like. I'm still holding both I'm doing right now.
And they said, how much does a set like this usually cost?
Awesome questions. Thank you so much for a great question. For the set like this, if you have a client have the length like that and the shape, it's really depend on the salon location as well, and it depend on how your structure of the business, like a salon you charge. With this set, a solid set on this length, usually we charge the length and the shape together. So this shape and this length, it doesn't matter, clients can do coffin, almond, stiletto, taper, square or square. The set like this for the clients is start like just the plain nails only with solid colors. At our salon is $75 for this set. I mean for just the set only, it's not including a decoration, which is like, you know, if the clients want to have the weaver gels on, weaver gel is going to be $5 each nails, with the pigments instead of $5 it's going to be $7 each nails. It looks